first, Salia, this little girl, is going to do my makeup. Wish me luck.
Yeah, freaky cat.
Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
Fran, what I'm doing is really fun. Fran, you want to do it? Fran, this is what I'm doing. Watch. Fran, shut up. Okay. It's fun.
You're showing off.
No, it's fun. Oh, you.
Stop it. Luana, I'm gonna chuck a shoe at you.
Hey, fat Amy.
Look at hair.
I'm showing off.
I'm
I'm
showing
not.
off for Chloe's.
Ew! I'll kill you! Ew!
I'm supposed to don't.
Oh, I'm scared of the little pillow. That'll be scary.
Sai, you can't be on. He went like this. I know. My name is Sai. What?
I think she's actually trying. Saya, are you actually trying?
Because if you're trying to.
Saya, you're supposed to put white in the corners, not bright blue.
Dirty dirt.
Fine.
No, Saya, just leave it now. Oh, Brian's showing off.
No, I'm saying like crazy.
Make it super bright, Salia.
Am I done? Now let's see the failure. Oh, it's actually really nice.
Yeah. Say the couple marks right there.
Salia, you're not a cat.
All the marks.
You are not a cat, and get off of me!